going on, everyone? Quick update. We've got a huge winter polar vortex getting ready to hit us, and we're looking at probably about a week of sub-zero weather. In the night, very deep negatives. During the day, our high is going to be like low single digits, if not zero. Just want to let you know that I'm gonna not be doing any videos outside during that time. We're gonna be busy taking care of our animals, our horses and things. But we do have a video for you today, and this one's probably gonna be the last one I do for probably at least 2 weeks. But when we come back, we're gonna come back strong, and I've got big plans ahead with some more outdoor tools, and we got some trees to take down, and so just kind of getting prepped for that. So like I said, we've got another video planned for you today. This is a little pivot from what we normally do, but had a good time with my kids. Had a little range time. They made a snowman. We shot that up and had some other little zombie targets out there. We had a good time. They had fun. They're very safe. We had proper ear and eye protection, proper backstop, all that good stuff. So, like I said, we're just gonna kind of take a hiatus a little bit here. We've got some animals to take care of. That's gonna have to come first. And when we come back, see what we can get into. Also, I'd like to thank the people that have subscribed to the channel. It's very wonderful to see. It's wonderful to see all the views that I've been getting. It's really surprised me. It doesn't go lost on me. I'm very excited about it, and I can't wait to get more, to do more videos, more exciting videos. Hopefully, you know, we can build a nice little community, and we'd love to have you. If this isn't your thing, then, you know, there's always other things you can go watch. But for right now, that's about it. We'll see you in a couple weeks. Enjoy the videos I put up before. Enjoy the one I'm getting ready to put up now. And we'll see you soon. Thanks, guys. Going for the pizza guy. Slug in the chest.
Alrighty, ready. Nice.
Right in there.
Nice.
Pizza caught some grief, didn't it?
Close up for y'all. Nice.
What do you think?
All right, Brady W.
Kind of.
Right in the
There's
nose.
a sniffer, though.
Right in the sniffer, yeah. I was gonna say that.
Huh?
That's what I was gonna say. Right in the sniffer.
Oof. That boar's having a bad day. Eeks.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's
Oh,
go.
right in the head.
Let's fucking
Yikes.
go. Alright, I'm done recording. Ready?
Okay.
Nice. Nice.
That's what I want.
Here, I'll go for some snow. And then the lady. Thank you, another one.
I know.